What you gonna do?
I don't know.
Connect the big object to small object.
Yeah.
Okay.
I make a app.
Review na. Final exam tomorrow. Make it perfect so that you can go Dumaguete, yeah? You like to go Dumaguete?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why make perfect the exam tomorrow. Final exam. Done? Okay. We go to another next.
Wait.
Missing one.
Yeah, triangle.
I see. Triangle. Di?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, color the objects. No, I don't say pa color. Color the square blue.
The square blue.
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh, I know it.
Square. Later na, be. Later na mag-color, be. You check first where is the square. Color. Don't do right away like that. Think first if that's square or not. Color it. I not say circle. I said color it. Okay, color green the triangle.
Triangle.
Yeah, green.
Oh, right. Here it is.
Okay.
Triangle.
Yeah.
Oh, I know it.
Triangle.
Triangle. I waited.
Triangle. No, you are wrong, Nabi. You cannot go Dumaguete, really. Triangle.
Triangle. All right. Behind the circle.
Not behind, beside. Draw it. I did not say circle. Color. Zero jud ka. If you not do good na, you cannot go Dumaguete. Daddy said your prize go Dumaguete if you get perfect. Yeah? That's what you asked to Daddy, yeah? Okay, next. Color blue the rectangle. Ay, pinisili ang blue. Orange the rectangle. Rectangle. Now you color orange.
Orange.
Wala, oy.
Teacher.
Naka-answer naman na teacher. Siyempre. Matik na. Okay, next.
What?
Color black the diamond.
What? The diamond daw, B?
Black the diamond. Black.
Correct, B? Diamond?
This not.
Is that black?
Ingon gani siya, is not. Mami, could be, Brado, B.
Yun na, black the diamond. Like mommy have
Correct,
diamond. Black diamond.
Mami said, B, diamond.
Where the diamond?
Is that diamond?
Diamond.
How to say that, B?
Diamond.
Na, sweet siya, diamond.
Ay, Bisaya, tabi, oy. Sa imong daddy lang kapag gislang-gislang.
Be diamond, Mami, not diamond. Daddy will laugh. When Daddy here, Daddy laughing sa inyo. Mami, no.
Oh, done.
Okay.
What did you say?
What color your heart?
Red.
Okay, color red the heart. Is your heart lovable?
No, red. Sorry, I pick up the blue and the yellow. And the red.
Nah, don't make wrong, Jude. Kay Daddy said, make perfect so that you can go Dumaguete. What you miss there in Dumaguete? Why you want to go?
I don't know. I just want to eat.
What do you want? What do you eat there?
Fried chicken. Spaghettis.
Spaghettis man.
Grabe man, mga with
Spaghetti,
S man.
spaghetti.
Chickens, spaghettis.
That's what you want to eat in Dumaguete?
So, what store that we go?
Don't bother me. I
Don't.
almost now.
Don't bother me.
Lisa.
Okay, color brown the oval.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Where you eat in?
Yeah, brown.
Where will you eat your spaghetti?
Yeah. B, why asking the teacher? You have to do it yourself. The teacher not teaching you. Oval, brown.
That's what you want to eat.
Don't asking me, anak. Brown, gani, nak, brown.
Yeah, that one right.
Color brown, the oval.
Oh, you have man hair, murag utin.
Oh, Dana.
Among nursery in tawon. Mag-exam ang nursery. Okay. Yellow star.
Yellow star.
Yeah.
I know that bush is this. I'm yellow. Right? Done.
Okay. So, what color missing there? Okay. Violet circle.
The violet. Done.
Okay. So, what is this?
Shakel.
Color. Say color. The color and the shape.
Shakel.
The color.
Pink.
Pausa na mong pink, B.
At violet. Triangle.
No, I said, say the color and the shape. Example, this one, violet circle, like that.
Violet circle. And violet circle.
Mm-hmm.
And green triangle.
Mm-hmm.
And blue square.
Yeah.
Brown.
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 The.
Brown diamond.
Mm-hmm.
Orange.
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 Very good. Louder.
Rectangle.
Okay.
Yellow. Star.
Mm-hmm.
Heart.
Color. Louder.
Heart. Red.
Okay, last one.
Oval. Brown.
Very good, anak.
Oh, that's
What the rats eating?
the rat eating.
Yeah.
Rats.
Rats.
Rats?
Yeah.
What rats?
The rats eat rice or eat Cheese.
Cheese.
Very good.
Rat.
Yeah, rat. What rat eat?
Cheese.
Very good. So what the chicken eat?
Worm.
What the lion eat?
Meat.
What the dog eat?
Bone.
What the cat eat?
Bone piece.
What the horse eat?
Grass.
What the cow eat?
Grass.
What the goat eat? Goat, like cow lang.
Grass. Grass.
Grass, very good.
Now we go there.
What the ducks eat? Like chicken lang food. What the chicken eat? That's the duck eat also. What the chicken eat?
Worm.
So the duck eat also.
Worm.
Very good. So what the nakuha naman to. Banana, monkey. What the monkey eat?
Banana. Chicken.
Only one say lang banana. Okay?
What is the sound of beef?
Lucky me.
What's the sound of cow?
Mo.
Beef.
Binuang naman ka, nag-review me diri? Na. Po, are you ready for final exam tomorrow?
What is the gift if you get perfect?
Baby.
Yeah. What daddy will treat you?
Right.
Yeah, what's the price when you get
Yeah,
perfect?
what's the price when you get perfect?
What daddy told you? If you get, with you go, na. Wala ka buhok! Why? Concentrate na mi duwa. So if you got perfect, what do you want? Where you want to go if you got perfect? You stay home lang? Not go to Magete? You not go to Magete? Hala. That's why I make perfect, huh? Are you ready now for tomorrow exam? Look here, oh. Say, I'm ready.
Ready.
Look, mommy.
I'm ready.
Look here, oh, sa camera.
I'm ready.
Look sa camera.
I'm ready.
The two orange, the same or different? So why they are the same?
Because we say.
Here, the number 1, the number 2. Which one the different? What that?
Number 2.
Number 1 na, oh.
Abala ka.
Habala.